What's up, guys? Welcome back. We've got a little quick one today. We're gonna try and fix the exhaust today. I just got off work, so we gotta hit up O'Reilly to get some exhaust cutter because, well, the over axle pipes are too long and they're pushing the muffler tips into the fender. So yeah, let's get to O'Reilly's. Let's get going. All right, guys, we made it to O'Reilly's, right up there. Now we gotta go in and find, I'm looking for almost like a chain style exhaust cutter, tool acquired. Alrighty, guys, we've made it home with the package in hand. I'm going to go change, and we're going to get this thing up on jack stands. We're going to start cooking away at it. Well, we tried. Onto the Sawzall. Right about there is where we want it. Which again is about where the clamp was touching last time. We are about an inch. Pay attention. We are about an inch past where that's supposed to be. Lovely. Okay, now that we've got everything tightened up, I'm gonna listen for some clanging and banging, because that was the problem. Hang on, wait. Okay, also that right there. I don't know if y'all can see that very well. There's like a melted part. Okay. Yeah, give her a start. That's anything. Alright, guys, we've got a tunnel coming up here. What better time to test the exhaust? I don't know how well you'll be able to hear it because of all the wind, but really good. I am very happy with that. Anyway, GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Frick you.